Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to mix paint. Back in my day, we didn't need to mix paint. It came pre-mixed, just like Smucker's Goober. Do you remember that? That was the jar that had the peanut butter and jelly in there together, side by side like brothers. Brothers in the army marching toward death. Death, in this case, is my mouth. War is an ugly thing, and I hope I never have to see it. That's why I'm thankful for all of the brave peanut butter and jellies who have come before me and fought for my freedom. My freedom of speech, my freedom of the press, and most importantly, my freedom of sandwiches. Speaking of, I don't even like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. The only reason I'm familiar with Smucker's brand Goober sauce, or whatever you'd call it, is it a sauce? A paste? That sounds right. Anyway, the only reason I'm familiar with Smucker's brand Goober paste is because my parents would force me to eat it as punishment when I'd get held back in school. But now that I'm older, I'm done with school, so who's the real winner here? I'll give you a hint. It's me.